Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is early morning, guys, but I want to give you a video before I get started on my day. We're getting ready to pack to go on a 3-day vacation to my nephew and also my niece in Florida. So I want to give you this haul that I have, and the hauls that I'm doing and the things that I'm buying now is I'm buying for 2 bedrooms, for my bedroom and also the guest bedroom, because I'm redoing both of them. And also, guys, my husband is getting the bathroom remodeled, and I'm hoping to give y'all footage on that process of how that going, but I will be working as well, so I'm gonna try to do it in between. But until then, guys, I will give you that video whenever our process start. And also, I'm getting my living room and dining room recarpeted so you can see that transition. So that's why you haven't seen me really decorate in my living quarters and as much in my dining room, was because I just don't want to have all that stuff I have to move out in order for him to lay the carpet. So, but I will give you all the footage I can for the process. And also, guys, I know this is gonna be a change in my home, and I was longing for it for a minute. But anywho, let's get into this haul. Yep. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. I've been, needing a whole lot of stuff like for storage, guys. So what I did was I went and I got these, guys. These are 20 bags. They are the vacuum storage bags right here, guys. Yes, the vacuum storage bags. And they have 20 bags, and they have like 4 jumbo, 4 large. They have 4 medium and 8 smalls. So this I can really store, a lot of things like my comforters and all of that in this. And this was ordered through Amazon, and I will leave this link if you guys want to purchase this item. So yeah, it's the vacuum bags. So guys, yes, I will be using that. And also, guys, through my search, I was going to Kohl's. And when I went to Kohl's one day, I was like, oh God, I want those lamps. But the line was like excessively long. So I was like, okay, I'll come back when, during the week. So I was like, if it's for me, they will be there. Guys, they were there. So guys, I have 2 of these beautiful lamps here. Excuse okay. These beautiful lamps, guys. Look. They are blue. And this is one of my husband's favorite colors. So I'm just trying to pull out the blue in the room that we'll be decorating. And I have 2 of these lamps. Yes, guys, 2. So, and these lamps was $59.99, guys. Yes, from Kohl's. And just like I stated, I purchased 2 of those. And we're gonna move right along. I got some items from Burlington. And when I walked into Burlington, I love this. This is so cute. I got this small ottoman, and this ottoman here, guys, and this is the deep side of this, and I think it was so cute. And I also got this. Also, this can be versatile. I got it for the bedroom, but I can also use this in my living room. And it also comes with the top. So place the top. So guys, and I think this is so beautiful, guys. And this was only $29.99, guys. Yes, beautiful, from Burlington. So guys, you don't want to go to sleep on Burlington. I'm telling you guys, they have beautiful stuff. So we're moving right along. And also what I got from Burlington was another item for the bedroom. And I got this wall art, guys. Look, this wall art. And I'm gonna turn it this way, guys. This wall art here, guys, right here is the 2-piece set. And guys, it is made of, it has that wash color in it, and it also have the wooden rail, which is, I think is so cute. And this was $14.99 from Burlington, guys. Love it, love it, love it, guys. So let's moving along with the next item. So guys, I also got another wall art, which is this is 3. This is 3. It is big, guys. It is 3. And I love it, and it's in a gold. Guys, y'all know how I am about my gold. So I'm gonna turn it on the back side, and I'm gonna let you see. This is the setup here. Very beautiful. With this wall decor, it can go into your living room. But what I got it for my bedroom, and this was $24.99, guys. $24.99, guys. Yes, I think that is so beautiful. It's gonna go very good with my decor and what I'm seeing in my vision for my bedroom. So let's get into Kirkland's, guys. So walking into Kirkland's, and if you guys have seen my video from Kirkland's, the walkthrough shop with me video, y'all can see that I did feature some of these items, and you can see I did a close view of these items. So I wanted this scone. These are the beautiful scones here. I thought they were so beautiful. Yes, I thought these were so gorgeous. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna use this in one of the bedrooms or just float it around my home, but I think these were so very gorgeous. And with this item, this one was $29.99. $29.99. Yes. So guys, yes, Kirtland's. Yes, and they have a sale going on now, guys, on all of their wall arts and things. So, and also I got from Kirtland's was this checkerboard set. I think will be real good for the space. And just like I say, it has the neutral colors, you know, the white, the black, and it has the wooden. So it has the neutral tone colors, which I love. And I will also place this in a space, and just like I say, you can use this in any area of your home. Yes, I love this. So, and again, that was $29.99. And also, guys, I purchased, y'all know I love bowl fillers. I really do love bowl fillers. And I got these bowl fillers. And you see how that they got that neutral tone, guys. Look, very beautiful. The white, it's like the tarnished gray and the wooden look, guys. This was $19.99. Yes, I got these to go in my bowls. I love bowl fillers, guys. It just bring life to the room. So yes, I did get those, guys. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. Yes. And also, guys, I think I mentioned in one of my videos, it would have been something about me. Well, guys, I am on this weight loss transition. Yes, that's what I'm gonna call it, a weight loss transition. So I've been on this journey now for, today makes 1 week. So whenever I went to my doctor and he did all of the testing and everything, and he wanted me to set my goal of how I want to lose weight, and I said I want to start off with losing 50 pounds. I didn't want to go real high, something that, you know, in my mind I know I can't do at one time, but I set it small enough to know that this is something that I can take on. So guys, I am so excited about this journey because I have to be here for my grandkids and my children. I want to have a long life. And also with this, I developed fibroids some years ago. So you see that I'm being heavy and, you know, kind of a midriff, you know, large, is due to the fibroids. So I actually wanted to lose weight before I even go through the surgery. It was one particular thing that they said that I could do during this time, that I could do, you know, different things. But before I have the surgery, I wanted to lose weight. So whenever the fibroids are removed, I can see a difference in my life. So guys, let me know if any of you young ladies ever had fibroids. How was your process whenever you got them removed? How was your healing process? I would love to know that in the comment. And also, if you are on a weight loss challenge of transitioning and making your life better with better eating habits, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And I hope you guys will share this video and also subscribe. And just be a part of the well, Beautiful Creations family. I would love to have you aboard. To my old subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for rocking with me. And to the new, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my videos. So guys, with all of that being said, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.